Hey everyone! Let's make a simple karaoke scene with Scenic. First, sign into the app and click Create AR Scene on the home feed. Tap on Basic AR Scene. Look for a flat area and tap on the screen to select the area. Start by adding 3D models. This is our public library. You can also add your own 3D models. Check out our video here to learn how to add your own 3D models. You can resize the models, rotate, and move them around. Once all your models are ready, it's time to actually record where your avatar will be. Before recording, let's play the 3D models animations. To do so, click on the 3D model and head to this box on the top left. Here you will see the different animations your models have. Click on this loop icon. This lets the animation move in a loop. Do this for every model with an animation in the scene. Now, let's record the scene. Click this button here. This will let you record the path where your avatar goes. Next would be to add an audio. Scenic records audio as you record your scene, but I would like to replace it with some music instead. So I'll delete the audio and add a new one here. Here I am recording the audio to my phone from a video I am playing on my computer. Since we're making a karaoke scene, I will be adding an extra layer of audio. This layer will be for my singing.
Happy birthday.
When you record the second layer, lower the volume so it won't be caught in the background.
Happy birthday to you.
A cool thing about Scenic is that your avatar can appear like it's talking. Tap on the audio layer you just recorded with your voice and tap on lip sync. Now it looks like your avatar can talk. Now let's make the avatar dance. This is Scenic's body tracking feature. It lets your avatar follow your motions. Click on this box to hear the music on your scene. This way it makes dancing much easier. You can do all types of poses, motions, and dances. When you're done, cut the dance for however long the scene recording is, then save it so it can be used later. You can also choose to skip saving the motion if you'd like to use it only once. Head back to the timeline and check if the scene looks good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Once the scene looks good, save it. Take a thumbnail picture and add a title and description. Publish the scene and there you have it! The scene will be posted to the top of the feed page. To watch it, just click on it and look for a surface to watch in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our team. If you want more in-depth tutorials, head over to our YouTube channel. Bye!